Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry for doing this video in English. I couldn't do it in Hindi or Odisha. I'm very sorry. This is about booking online liquor in Odisha state. They have just launched the portal and from some hours back it is active. I'll just show you complete procedure how to book it online, and it's very simple and easy. So friends, please open any Google search page in your any of your device. You can do it from mobile or iPad or PC, wherever. Just open a Google search page, friends, and in the search bar please give OSBC. When you give OSBC, friends, this is the link osbc.co.in. This is the link you have to click. It is clearly told Odisha State Beverages Corporation. So please click this link, friends. So when you click this link, I'll just show you when it is loaded, and if it is a PC it will be like this. Okay, if it's a laptop or any computer, it will be like this, and when it is loaded you can see here, this is the icon you have to click. There is a red bottle icon here, so here you have to click for booking the liquor in case of laptop or PC. But in case of other in case of mobile, I'll just show you there is some small difference here. So in case of mobile, as you can see, there is no icon, it is missing. So don't worry, if you have logged in mobile, if that icon is not there, the red bottle, you can click here. There is 3-line icon. So friends, please click here in this 3-line icon, okay, if it is mobile. So when you click here, some menu loaded, please scroll down, friends. See, you can see this icon here. So this is the icon I was talking about, liquor delivery. There is a red bottle icon, so please click here. So once you click here, a page loaded, and first time you need to have an username and password. Okay, if you do not have it, please make it. There is it's very easy to make, just 2 screens. You can there is an option here, sign up here. Don't have an account, sign up here. So friends, please click here for the first time. So when you click there, it will ask your mobile number and your name mainly on the first page. I'll just show you how it is. Click there, sign up here. Enter your name and enter mobile number and captcha. So only 3 details here, very simple. Enter your mobile number, name, and then I entered captcha. Click on verify mobile number. So you get an OTP here. Just note down the OTP, come back to the page, the same page. You don't refresh it. So you can see already the page has asking you an OTP. There is a see, this is the place you enter the OTP here. Okay, enter this OTP and click on again verify your mobile number. So when you click on verify mobile number, another page is loaded. This is the last page you have to enter here. Already name and things are there. Click on the select button and you can select your district, because for home delivery you need to give your district and address. That is only 2 items pending. You can scroll down through this and you can see here which is the district you wanted to get the liquor home delivered. For example, suppose I select Cuttack, and here you enter your home delivery address and pin code. Make sure the things are right. Once that is done, click this checkbox, I hereby declare, and after that click on the proceed button. So I just enter my details here, and then I enable this I checkbox and click on proceed. So this is complete now. You don't need to give any other details. You will get an SMS after this. This is the SMS I got, and you can see here your secret pin for signing in is given here. So you are not setting any password here. This is your password for logging into this website for online booking of liquor. So please note that you need this secret pin for logging in. So please friends, do not delete this SMS. It's very important, and this is going to be your password. So just keep this SMS, and now you copy this or note down this password number. This is your password number, and come back to the portal of Odisha and enter your mobile number here, and this is the place you have to enter the password which you got in through an SMS. So this is your password. So enter mobile number, then password, then enter the captcha shown below. I just entered the captcha also. See, mobile number here, password here, captcha here, and click on login button. It's very simple. So when you click on login button, you can see here it will take you to the page of again inside the page corporation. Now if you scroll down, you can see the shops. Okay, so I had selected district as Cuttack. So in Cuttack, what are the shops are available, you can see here. So friends, please scroll down and select whichever in your area nearby for you. okay. And once you select only one shop, you can select, not multiple shops. Here only one shop. If you wanted, you can again log into this portal, select another shop. So for example, say I select a shop here, and once you select the shop, you can scroll down and see the menu items, MRP, and they have given some details. You can see here all these items are the rate you can add to cart. And friends, please remember, 100 rupees they are charging as delivery. Now this is the available quantity. 50 quantities are available as of now, so online. And this is the price, 180 rupees for Kingfisher Strong Premium. So if you scroll down, you get another details, like a lot of things are there. So whatever they are delivering online, see size 650 ml and quantity also there. Maximum this quantity is only 5 and 190 rupees. You can add to cart. So for example, say I'm adding 2 items. See, when I add to cart, it is added like this. You can even click on the red button and remove also. So 2 items I'm adding to cart. These 2 items I added. 2 items for example, you can see here when I scroll up, after adding, scroll up, there is a cart button here. See cart, click on the cart. It says 500 rupees. So when I click on the cart, below I can see the things I ordered. You can see here quantity 1, quantity 1, 2 things I have ordered. So one things are okay, your address, contact number will be there. Click on the submit button at the bottom. So it says your order is placed successfully. So this is including the price is including home delivery of 100 rupees. Okay, click on OK. When you click on OK, again the page will be there. A past order will be shown. You can scroll down and see your order details here. See, I'm just scrolling down. See, this is my order number, and it says the first order. If you have multiple order, it will show here. So 100 rupees was the order amount, and 100 rupees was the delivery amount and delivery fee. Okay, and 400 rupees the MRP item, and total 500 rupees. If you click on the view button here, you can see complete order details with order number. See here, please scroll down. See, the order number is given. It's a digital receipt. If you scroll down, you can see complete history of your order. And I ordered 2 items, 1 item of this and second item of this. And what are the prices? 190 rupees, 210 rupees, and total is 400 rupees. And clearly they have told delivery charges of 100 rupees and total is 500 rupees. So friends, this is the procedure, and they will call you, sync up your address, and get it delivered to home. Thank you very much for watching, and I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel, friends. Sorry for doing it in English again. Thank you very much. See you with another video.